Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use the traction control in your 2014 Honda Civic Si. So in order to access this feature, we must first go to the left hand side of the steering wheel, and once we get to the left hand side of the steering wheel, what we're going to do is we're going to click on this car right here that is fishtailing. What we're going to do is click that. And then once we click on it, it will show up on the screen that your traction control is indeed off. And basically what traction control does is it prevents you from losing traction when you are in certain conditions such as rain or snow or etc. And it helps you to get traction on your wheels so you don't slip off or swerve off on the roads. And yeah, I would only recommend turning off this traction control if you are off-road or you are in the racetrack. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.